Sustainable market is a new vision oriented on an effective use of resources aimed to offer the best value to the customers. We need to keep the long-term interests of society and must use the resources effectively without compromising the quality of life for future generations. Today, we are going to talk about the case study about General Motors. General Motors is one of the largest and one of the oldest automobile manufacturers in the world. They manufacture a wide variety of cars, trucks in over 35 countries and sell them in more than 180 countries. GM holds various brands under its name, like Holden in Australia. Customer orientation is one of the key principles of sustainable management marketing. Holden has taken few steps ahead in thinking of what way they can change the customer experience. They have listened to the customer feedbacks carefully and responded back with some actions which eventually paid off. Every company has its own set of competitors in the market, and Holden has read about their competitors well and came up with a solution where the customer can take the cars for about 24 hours to test drive any kind of vehicle of their choice. Interfunctional coordination is one of the key principles of the sustainability because every organization would set their own goals and targets for the future. Employees should own these goals and should work in line to achieve them. It helps the company cross the silver line of the success.
Customer value marketing can be defined as the difference between what a customer gets from a product and what he or she has to give in order to get it, or the ratio between customers' perceived benefits and the resources used to obtain these benefits. Customer value of an organization can be affected by two elements. They are functional values and psychological values. Functional benefits are based on a product attribute that provides the customer with functional utility, whereas psychological benefits are up to the customer's taste and desires. General Motors Group Holden Company enjoyed the market leader position in the Australian automobile industry just because the customer value it have had, but gradually it lost its leadership position due to the customer defection it experienced. Customer retention. The steps and strategies that are followed by the organizations and companies to minimize the customer defections. The goal of customer retention program is to help companies retain as many as customer as possible in the market. Customer value plays a major role in the growth of the companies. However, if it not get a proper attention by the company, it affects the growth of the company in a negative aspect. The same thing happened with the Holden Company too, as in the end Holden Company had to face a lot with its customer value base.
Innovative marketing introduces a solution to the problem that not has been recognized before and not yet has been solved. This marketing strategy can set your company apart from competition. It brings a whole new class of customers and market, drives sales to the top and increases the profitability. As an innovative marketing strategy, Holden, a sub-brand of General Motors, recently organized a advertising campaign to launch their new models, all new Astra and Colorado. What they have done is they released a song named Trust, which was sung by Isabella Manfredi. By using this marketing strategy, they grabbed so much attention of millennials.
General Motors has been using social media quite intelligently. The company in 2012 had made significant social media group known as Customer and Relationship Service Group, which basically monitors the customer reviews and updates the customer service according to the reviews. The social media group got 33,000 page views through Facebook and 14,000 retweets through Twitter.
In every major car company, change creates resistance to change. When marketing strategy have implemented through organization, the employees quickly respond by complaints and engaging in work slowdown. because they are hesitant. If care had been taken by the change management expert, then they would have overcome the change and cope up with it. All empires contain seeds of their own destruction. The collapse of General Motors into bankruptcy is only the latest chapter in a long story of mismanagement and decline. What actually went wrong is their quality of products have been decreased and duplicacy of their own product increased. And in recent years, they recalled 4.3 million vehicles over airbag related issues.
Consumers are concerned about society they are living in, and now, after facing a lot of environmental issues and climatical sins, consumers are more concerned about sustainable products that are suitable for their environment. The environmental issues that is most common now is scarce resource of non-renewable resources like fuel, degrading environment because of pollution, and now consumers are more focused and demanding green and eco-friendly products for that. So, to fulfill consumers' demand, as they are looking for more eco-friendly cars to protect environment, General Motors should start to increase in production of electric cars to adapt change in new demand of customers for sustainability. GM is establishing a 100% renewable energy goal to help get better society by reducing environmental impact, providing 350 facilities in 59 different countries to assure get 100% renewable energy. Now we would like to conclude our work as we talked about 4 key principles, and to demonstrate those principles we used General Motors and their strategy of marketing and decision making for sustainable marketing. Thank you.